The top 5 crypto traders that can make you rich. Here's who you should follow in 2022 and build a solid portfolio and gain profit. The cryptocurrency market is no longer what it was 10 years ago. The days of Bitcoin being the only crypto in town appear to be over, as the market appears to be swamped with an infinite number of possibilities. But with so many alternatives, it appears hard to determine which is the golden ticket and which is a dud. So, what should every crypto-aware individual do? Well, he or she is going to turn into a cryptocurrency trader. But which ones exactly? Well, stick around to find out. Well, first of all, welcome to Crypto News Now, where we, as usual, demystify crypto and present it to you in a simple format. Today we identify the top 5 crypto traders who can make you rich, who to watch in 2022 to help you develop a strong portfolio and profit. One of the most often asked questions I receive regarding cryptocurrencies is, where am I learning about cryptocurrency? How am I going to find out all this information? Well, it's pretty unsurprising that YouTube is the answer because the majority of the finest crypto traders provide their content here for free. So moving on to the list of the number 1 spot, we have Gary Vee, who, like his position, is the number 1 resource for learning about everything digitally connected. As for those who aren't following Gary Vee, I can't even imagine how they're getting online without knowing about him. Anyone who follows online business trends will eventually come across Gary Vaynerchuk. And when it comes to his accomplishments, there is plenty to keep you occupied. As an entrepreneur, marketing whiz, an early investor in Facebook, Twitter, Uber, and Coinbase, and he has additionally parlayed his knowledge into prominence as an online superstar in his own right. And as of now, Gary Vee, as his Twitter handle is known, has 3 million followers, while his YouTube channel has 3.73 million subscribers. That's not all. As in May 2021, Vaynerchuk established his NFT collection, VeeFriends. This helps him to engage a big fan base, giving them access to him and monetarily rewarding them for supporting him throughout the years. So with that, this crypto wizard reaped handsome rewards from the sales. Sources have reported that he made $90 million on those sales in 90 days. And after his unsurprising success with NFTs, Vaynerchuk has been entirely immersed in that arena. Further, he has evolved into one of the industry's major influencers, despite his dislike for the word, since he initially dabbled with crypto in 2017, and if NFTs more recently, in late 2020. Currently, he advises huge corporations on crypto and NFTs through his business, Vayner NFT, where his motions in space take a lot of noise as well. Gary isn't a huge crypto talker, but he's been hinting at it in his stuff for the last year or so, and it's really what aroused some attention. People were starting to ask him questions, and he was asking them questions, and you could hear the idea of blockchain technology come up more and more. In terms of his assets, Vayner Media is a subsidiary of VaynerX, which also includes Vayner Productions, Gallery Media Group, the Sasha Group, Tracer, Vayner Speakers, Vayner Talent, and Vayner Commerce. Gary also co-founded Vayner Sports, Rezi, and Empathy Wines. But at this point, this just might be surprising. Having just launched his NFT, he believes that this is the biggest shift that he's experienced in his career when it comes to technology. Thus, if you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrency, blockchain technologies, and NFTs, Gary Vee is the place to go. Now coming to BitBoy, which is the second best place for me to learn about cryptocurrency. As BitBoy Crypto is all about Bitcoin, namely cryptocurrencies, and it looks like he's uploading something new almost every day. So, those who don't know, Ben Armstrong is a YouTuber, podcaster, and crypto enthusiast who created BitBoyCrypto.com. BitBoy Crypto, as he is known, he works hard to inform and educate the crypto community. He began investing in Bitcoin in 2012 when he first learned about the word of cryptocurrencies. This resulted in the formation of his YouTube channel, which has all of those fantastic videos for a low cost of free. And every few months, BitBoy even openly shares his portfolio with viewers. With his holdings shooting up in value in 2022, and as of April 9th, 2022, his portfolio is valued at a staggering $30 million. Among his holdings are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Poloniex, Solana, and Binance Coin. Even though I may not agree with his holdings, I appreciate his transparency. But he still has a lot of energy and a lot of passion for keeping up with what's going on in the world of Bitcoin. And in many respects, he was there first, is still learning, and is supporting many of us in catching up to the Bitcoin world. As a result, BitBoy is another excellent resource for monitoring and learning about cryptocurrencies, as well as keeping up with and stays ahead of the trends. Meet Kevin is the third place I go and learn a lot about finance on his channel. He has more than 1.7 million subscribers on YouTube and advertises retail investors on property and stock markets under the name Kevin Paffrath. Kevin uploads a variety of times each day in a variety of live streams, and he is a typical financial professional interested in Bitcoin. It's been fascinating to follow his path and learn with him, along with his growing interest in Bitcoin. That journey, particularly from a financial one, and what it implies when the financial sector changes so dramatically as a result of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies, which makes Meet Kevin a fantastic YouTube channel. The fourth channel I'd like to recommend is JRNY Crypto or Journey Crypto. If you've watched his channel, he publishes every day. I believe as I started following him when he had around 25,000 followers, and now he has over 500,000 subscribers. So it's been interesting to see him continuously write and be on the cutting edge of cryptocurrencies and crypto trends. Thus, if I want to know what's going on in the realm of cryptocurrency, I know Tony's going to put out a 10 to 15 minute look and reveal all of his cryptocurrencies. He communicates openly. He does challenges and is smart and down to earth when it comes to understanding cryptocurrency, how he invests, what it looks like from his unique viewpoint, and where he believes it's heading. It's a great way when it comes to crypto news to stay up to date, so make sure to check out the JRNY Crypto. Now, Andre G. It's the final channel I'd like to suggest if you haven't had it already. Andre has another financial channel where he and Meet Kevin do a lot of things together. But he's in the finance YouTube channel category. When it comes to cryptocurrencies, he's been a bit of a ringleader. As a result, he's been involved for a long time. Further, he even has a background with Pokemon and a variety of trade collectors. So it's not unexpected that he is an advocate of NFTs, given what he understands about the NFT sector and where it's headed. But as he has been for a long time, he's a firm believer in cryptocurrencies and is substantially invested in them, in different sorts of crypto. As an outcome, his point of view is possibly one of the most valued ones. While it is at the bottom of our list, it's not irrelevant. I believe you will receive the best knowledge from Andre's channel, so I recommend that you go check out his channel. He discusses cryptocurrencies just around 5 times. So, in any case, you learn a lot from all 5 channels. There's so much to look at on YouTube. Furthermore, by just following their suggestions and examining their profile, you may be able to enhance your own portfolio and imitate the trade. There is a lot to go through, so you need to take it in with a grain of salt. The world of cryptocurrency is still in its infancy, and we're still in the first innings of what's going on in this game. YouTube is a terrific location to obtain all this news, information, and education that you need to learn about cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, NFTs, and everything else that's happening in this new environment. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any more channels to recommend, please leave them in the comments section below. I'd want to look into those. I'm sure others who are watching would like to see that as well. If you found the video interesting, go ahead and hit the like button, and if you're new here, subscribe and click the bell icon. This way, you'll be notified of all the future crypto and NFT news, and we'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.